Hi guys, so we have here a baby from Hoping Reborn, what used to be. Now it's Green Mountain Nursery from Savannah. I gave her Bentley back. Well, she bought him, and then also because I sold him for a good price, she gave me for this baby as well. So she's from Laura Lee Eagles. I can't remember what sculpt it is, but he's a cute little teddy bear. I love it. A little rattle. Whole bunch of passies, which I can't wait to look at. We won't look at all of them right now because I'm cooking food on the frying pan. Anyways, a whole bunch of bows, some diapers, some socks, cute little brush. Oh dear, Russell's touching stuff and he's really filthy. Adorable little outfit here. Onesie. Oh, you okay? Aww. Oh, I like this Superwoman. Goes with this. Cute. Okay, and I don't see a certificate or anything. Rocco, don't go anywhere, you're dirty. Whoop, whoop, sorry. Okay, so here's baby. So I'm trying to hurry because Rocco has finished eating and he is full of food. There's some cute little bows. Rocco! Oh, I got a mess to clean up, I tell ya. Oh my gosh, she's cute! Anyways, here is her adorable little hand. I like her painting. It's beautiful. Beautiful, Savannah. She's very, very pretty. I love the painting a lot. I like how much she weighs, too. Aw, she's cute. And her, Savannah named her Ava, and I'm going to keep that name because I like it. Anyways, here's Ava. She smells delicious. Her hair's cute. I love her eyebrows. She's super adorable. Anyways, say hi to Eva. Hi. Thanks, Savannah. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.